With cold weather coming and energy prices on the rise, it's time to act now to reduce your heating costs this winter. I'm going to show you how to replace your worn out weather stripping to keep the cold air outside. So you can see here we have our old weather stripping. A little tip for you, if you're ever painting, it's actually easy to take this stuff out and just replace it after. You can paint around it and then put this right back in so you don't end up with this situation here. So I've got a pair of pliers and I'm just going to start right up here in the corner. And we'll just pull that right out. Once you get the top out, it should come out pretty easy. And we'll just do the same thing up here on the top. Then we'll just grab this last side here. Now you may have something like this in the bottom corner of your jam. These are corner seals, and if you have those there, this is a good time to replace them. If you don't, make sure you stick around to the end here. I'm going to show you how to install those because they're pretty critical to keeping the airflow out. Here's the side profile of the weather stripping I'll be using today. I picked these up at the hardware store, but they're much more affordable to buy online, so I'll link in the description below to where you can get these on Amazon. So I'm going to start by installing the top piece. I've pre-trimmed this just using the old piece as a guideline. What you're basically going to do is slide that little spline right into this slot. It's pretty easy. You can get it right in there with your hand. So I'm just going to start right here in the top corner. Just tuck that right back in there. You want to make sure that this is up tight to the other piece. So you create a nice tight seal up in that corner. And then you just slide your hand down through here. Push it in as you go. I haven't pre-trimmed this yet. I'll just cut it when I get to the bottom. So now I've got this down close here. I'm just going to put a rough cut on it. Pair of scissors. It's actually pretty close. I might have to take just a little bit more off. So there we go. So I'll just go over and do the same thing on the other side. So these here are corner seals. It's just a little wedge that goes into the bottom corner of your jam. And they've got a little adhesive on the back that you peel off. And this just sticks right in here underneath the weather stripping. And it creates a nice tight seal here at the bottom corners where you're most likely to lose a lot of air. These are really sticky, so you want to make sure you get them in there right first time. Now we've addressed 3 sides of this door, but don't forget, you have a door sweep that goes right underneath here, and if that's not in good shape, you might need to replace that too. So I've got a video right here that'll show you how to take care of that.